Hey there, fellow aquarists and plant enthusiasts. Welcome back to our aquatic haven. Today we're diving into a mesmerizing world of aquatic greenery. Get ready to explore 29 low-tech aquarium plants to transform your underwater paradise. Java moss, Taxiphyllum barbieri. Anubias barteri. Java fern, Microsorum pteropus. Amazon sword, Echinodorus amazonicus. Cryptocoryne spp. Water wisteria, Hygrophila difformis. Vallisneria spp. Hornwort, Ceratophyllum demersum. Water sprite, Ceratopterus thalictroides. Dwarf Sagittaria subulata. Marimo moss ball, Agigropila linnae. Brazilian pennywort, Hydrocotyle leucocephala. Java moss ball, Vesicularia dubiana. Amazon frogbit, Limnobium labigatum. Red Ludwigia repens. Banana plant, Nymphoides aquatica. Water lettuce, Pistia stratiotes. Anacharis, Alodia densa. African water fern, Bulbitis hudelidae. Brazilian microsword, Liliopsis brasiliensis. Duckweed, Lemna minor. Crypt wenti, Cryptocoryne wenti. Hygrophila corymbosa. Water pennywort, Hydrocotyle verticillata. Amazon sword compacta, Echinodorus amazonicus compacta. Pygmy chain sword, Echinodorus tenalis. Amazon sword melon, Echinodorus ex barthi, melon. Dwarf water lily, Nymphaea stellata. Water hyacinth, Acornia crassipes. These plants are generally easy to care for, don't require high-tech setups, and can thrive in simple low-tech freshwater aquariums. They will add beauty and natural balance to your tank while providing benefits to your aquatic inhabitants. Remember to research each plant's specific requirements and make sure to provide appropriate lighting, substrate, and water conditions to ensure their well-being. Happy aquarium gardening! Thanks for watching.